welcome back to another video where today I'm just so happy I'm lost for words. So yesterday I ordered something on eBay. It was £14.09. I ordered Vac-Man. You can stretch and pose him. Vacuum pump included, that's good. You have to pump him, stretch and crack him, release the air. Well, it should say put in the air because you vacuumed him. Anyway, so here's the back of the box. You want to read that? There's a picture of that. So yeah, I haven't actually opened this yet. Sorry about that. I just had a not a Rio, a mango, fizzy one. So it came like this. Probably just how it was shipped, to be honest. I really don't care about the box. So let's open it. Okay, there. So I'm not gonna show Vac-Man himself yet. So it comes with an instruction manual. Okay, do not stretch Vac-Man over 3 feet or he can break. Okay. Do never pull Vac-Man by his head. Keep Vac-Man away from water. The more air you remove from Vac-Man, the farther he will stretch. When you finish play with him, press his cybernetic button and store him in his non-stretch shape. Avoid sharp objects. Always play safe. Do not tie Vac-Man into a knot or wrap him around any person's head, arm, leg. Vac-Man is filled with a non-toxic filler. Do not twist Vac-Man's arm. Oh, do not twist him in general, it says. Do not twist Vac-Man. Do not leave Vac-Man out in the sun. Okay. We don't really... I don't know why I threw it over there, because I don't even remember half the things we said. Okay, so... I know you guys are probably like, show us Vac-Man! Show us Vac-Man! But I'm just like... Wait, I'm gonna show you this first. So it comes with vacuum pump. I cannot breathe. So you insert it into the side of his head, turn it right to lock, left to unlock. And it says the original Vac-Man on the side. Stretch and pose, Vac-Man. Oh, Vac, stretch and pose. And then on the side, it says, do not puncture, cut or tear this. Do not overstretch your Vac-Man. Do not leave Vac-Man in the sun. So, do not puncture, cut or tear. And do not leave Vac-Man in the sun. Go for both this and Vac-Man. So, yeah. Once I've showed you this pump, I'm going to put it back in the box so you can see what it originally looks like. Okay, so on the side, here, on all of these like comic looking pictures, it says 1, pump into head. Well, plug into head, I mean. Turn right to lock. 2. 3, pump 6 to 10 times. This one here. 4, turn left to remove. 5, stretch and pose. Hold on, stretch and pose. 6, push button to release. His cybernetic button. So now I've showed you this pump. It sucks out the air rather than putting air in. So I think that's actually quite cool. Don't know how they did that, but who knows? Right, so now I'm going to show you what it originally looked like. This is actually quite heavy. Ooh, it fell out. That Vac-Man is so heavy. Guys, I've seen like loads of different, oh my god, videos about him. And everyone said that he's heavy, but I didn't quite think he'd be, you know, this heavy. Oh, I can't do that. Okay, so he's like really squishy and he has like beads in him. Like you can just barely see him when I go like that. It's like the bumps. He's stretchy. He's got a cybernetic button which releases air. Lets air in, sorry. His hole in his ear that he plugs the pump into. And overall, I think this is like a really good toy. So now I'm gonna start to pump him. So at the minute, I can stretch him to here without fear of anything going wrong. And same with his legs. His legs about there. So now let's pump, well, vacuum. Why did I have to? Some air out. Oh my god, did you just see that? Let's press his cybernetic button. So look, he's completely normal. One pump, he's already getting lumpy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god. Ah! Look. He's gone hard as a rock. Oh my, you can stretch super far. And it doesn't even like feel like it's gonna break or anything. That's just one arm and he's all, that's like the size of a ruler. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, that's both of his arms. Now we're gonna do his torso. Because I noticed something in a load of videos and stuff, like reviews I watched of this. Nobody stretched his torso. Maybe like 1 or 2 people, but hardly. Okay, so now he has a really thin waist. I'm gonna make him look like a real villain because he is stretched Armstrong's arch enemy. He's so tall! Oh my god! Look! He's bigger than my head! I wouldn't be surprised if KRAK used this video for like for an advert for them, for Vac-Man. But like, this is so cool. And I was like really excited to get this in the mail because it was supposed to come in like Sunday, next Monday, and it's Wednesday today and we ordered it yesterday. So I am very like happy because it's come super early. So now watch what happens when I push this cybernetic button. I don't think I've actually told you what the cybernetic button does. But if you're here, you probably know what a Vac-Man is, so you would probably know. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Gets rid of the vacuum, and now he's perfectly normal, squishy, bouncy, everything above. I think it's so cool. Because it's like a giant stress ball as well. I mean, Like, I think he's so cool. And he looks really, like, similar to the 1994 Vac-Man. Pearly whites, everything. Wait, I'm gonna see the old Vac-Man. It doesn't say. Or, no, it doesn't. But this looks like a younger version of that Vac-Man, even though that Vac-Man would be older now, if that makes sense. So, yeah, I think this is like really cool, and he even stretches when he's not pumped. So you could use him like a stretch Armstrong as long as you don't pull him over 3 feet. But yeah, I think this is very good. Like, I love this toy. It's really nice, and like it has like beads in it. And I got this off of eBay, brand new, for £14. So I think that's very good. Because I saw like an old battered used one for £7. So double the price and you can get a brand new one. Everything brand new, you know. Pump, everything. But yeah, I really like this. And you're probably going to see it in like on my desk if I ever like do videos like that or something, I don't know. But yeah, I really like this. I'm Vac-Man, and I'm gonna destroy you. Wait, hold on. Stretch Armstrong, I will destroy you. Stretch Armstrong, I will destroy you. And then, in the 1994 one, it's like this, but the pump is a bit lower, and then it goes, and then he gets like this, and then after, like, he starts to just get really tall. But I really do love this. Like, I think it's so cool. Don't think I've shown you the back of him. But yeah. Like, I'm gonna pump him up again. Pump him, pump him a bit more, so it will make his legs even harder. So then he would like, I don't know. So guys, if you're planning on getting something, if you're planning on getting a Stretch Armstrong, I would say get a Vac-Man instead, because he's got like really cool features. Stretch Armstrong can only stretch. He can stretch and he can hold poses, he can probably like dance. I can dance. And I think just in general he looks a lot cooler, to be honest. But I think both of them are really cool. See you guys in the next video.